Thank you for the garden. Dear God, thank you for the beautiful world you made. Thank you for the gardens, the sunshine, the colors, and every tiny miracle growing around us. Help my heart be calm and thankful as I look at all the wonderful things you created. Amen. Lord, just like flowers open to the light, help me open my heart to you. Make me gentle, bright, and full of kindness. Amen. God, make me strong like the trees, steady and brave no matter what comes. Help me grow good roots in your love. Amen. Thank you for butterflies that remind me you can turn little things into beautiful things. Help me grow, change, and become who you made me to be. Amen. Thank you for ladybugs and all your tiny creations. Teach me to notice the small blessings you put in my day. Fill my heart with joy and gratitude. Amen. God, thank you for walking with me in your garden today. Help my heart stay peaceful, thankful, and full of your love. Let me grow in kindness, just like every plant you made grows toward the light. Amen. Thank you for praying with us. Subscribe for more kids' prayers and gentle stories of faith.